Shipbuilders in Indonesia are accustomed to building boats from a young age, having learned the trade by working alongside their parents. Through this habit, the process becomes so deeply ingrained in their minds that they know it by heart and no longer need to take notes.
Notes like this.
Yeah,
That
not
is
like
the whole
this.
point of why we're here.
Yeah, and this is habit. Yeah.
This is a habit. Wow. And also there's coconut. So when we interpolate curves through all of these stations that we've measured, we're going to get a lot of information, as you'll see in a second. And it's going to describe a whole lot of the geometry of what else we use and the computations to follow. So one of the most important steps is probably the most tedious, which is going through everything you've done and spot checking, which is effectively what I've done. And just to show it, what that looks like is dropping a tape on various just kind of random but critical dimensions and pieces and parts, and verifying that everything lines up exactly. And having done that and having found only one very slight discrepancy aft, I'm pretty satisfied with how everything came out. So now that that's all in order, we're ready for the fun part. Arr, arr, arr.